Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can level up fast in Old School RuneScape. So the fastest way to level up in OSRS is by focusing on quests. So right over here I got a few quests, okay, and my main quest is talking to survival expert. So you just gotta focus on main quest and in the early game, and then since many quests reward large amounts of XP and let you skip the beginner levels, after that you can just pretty much train using the most efficient methods. So yeah, you can just do the main quest, basically just simply spam main quests. So we got main quests, and this is our main quest. We have to fish, so let me just do our main quest. Got an item in our inventory, and here we go. Now we're using the fishing spot to fish. So as I told you, after that you can just train using the most efficient methods, and your skill completely achievement, you can just complete achievement diaries and take advantage of mini games, training and activities that offer good experience rates. Join a clan and using XP boost equipment where available, and follow basically an efficient training route. It will also help you level up faster in the game and make steady progress toward the game. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.